Hello students, welcome you all guys, welcome you all to ASCAT. I am Ankit Sharma and we are going to continue our speed maths classes. So in this class we are going to learn so many smart approaches to finding out the square of some particular numbers. Let's start the class with these squares guys. You must remember these square. Okay, there is no compensation. Okay, so you have to remember these square at least. You must remember, and I am damn sure you already remember this guys. No? Like up to 25 at least we must remember. I am damn sure you all remember this. If you are not able to remember this, then just please try to remember this. Okay, now let's move to the next slide guys. Square of the numbers having unit digit as 5. Very simple. I think 90% students know this already guys, but we are learning everything from stress level guys. That's why we are starting from here guys. Square of any number having unit digit as 5. For example, if I ask you what is the square of 5, that we all know 5 square is nothing but 25. 15 square, yes sir, we remember that is 225. 25 square, that also we remember sir, that is 625. But if I ask you what is the square of 65, then you will say we need to calculate sir. Okay, so there is a particular method beta by which we can calculate this square of this particular number in which unit digit is 5 only. Okay, and I guarantee you guys, I will let you know the basic behind this, and you will never find this basic on any platform that I am going to teach you after this short trick. Okay students, so how we can find the square beta? If any number is ending with 5, it means any number can be there at tens place, but unit place must be 5. You are finding the square of this number. This number can be n can be 2, 3, 4, 5, like 65 square. It means n is 6. 85 square means n is what guys? N is 8. 95 square means n is 9. That's it. But unit place must be 5. This method will only work for those numbers in which unit digit is 5 only. So you will say n5 square. Now, n5 square. Now, do one thing, sir. I'm explaining the short trick first, then I will let you know the basic behind this. You need to do nothing but multiply n with n plus 1. N into n plus 1 means n into next number. For example, if you are having 6 here, multiply 6 with 6 plus 1 means 6 sevens are, yes or no. If you are having 8 here, multiply 8 with 8 plus 1 means 8 with 9. So you will say multiply n with the next number, that is 8 means 8 nines are. If you are having 9 here, 9 tens are, that's it. And in last you need to add only 25, that's it. It will always give you a correct answer beta, and why it will give you a correct answer, I will let you know the basic behind this now. For example, if I need to find out the square of 35, then what I need to do guys? Multiply 3 with the next number. 3 4s are 12 and write 25 in the end. 1225 is the square. Okay, just write like this guys. 25 in the end for sure because of 5. And write here what beta? 3 4. Multiply this 3 with the next number. 3 4s are 12. If I tell you find out the square of 45 guys, you will say multiply 4 with the next number. 4 5s are 20 and 5 square is what guys? 25. If I ask you what is the square of 55 guys, you will say 55 is nothing but multiply at unit place I am having 5, so I must have 25 in the end, and multiply this 5 with the next number. 5 6 are 30. You can check in the calculator, the square of 55 is 3025. Square of 65 guys, 5 square 25, multiply 6 with the next number. 6 7 are 42. I am damn sure guys, you are calculating the square of 65 before I am writing this. Before I am writing 4225, you all have calculated, I am damn sure. Okay, please let me know the square of 75 guys. So you will say, in the end we are having 5. So in the end we will have 25 for sure. Multiply 7 in the next number. 7 8s are 56. That is the square of 75. We will never waste our time like this now, guys. 5 have the 25. Then cross here. Then we will write 5625. We will never waste our time like this, beta. We will always do like this only. If I tell you what is the square of 85, guys, 25 here. 8 9s are 72, that's it. 95 square, 25 here. 9 10s are 90, that's it. So these are the squares of those numbers, guys, which are ending with 5. There might be a doubt in your mind, guys, that is what, beta. What will happen if we are having a number like this, 135 square? Will this trick be helpful there? Yes, definitely it will be helpful there as well. In the end, you are having 5, guys. In the end, you are having 5. So in the end, you will have 25 for sure. That's it. And now the next task is what, beta? Multiply 13 with the next number. What is 13 into 14? 13 into 14 is 182. Now I am damn sure you will be thinking like, you will be... One thing, guys. I am damn sure you are very much concerned how you have done 30 into 14, sir. Okay. So, कैसे हम इसको fast कर सकते हैं, guys? Do you know what is 13 square? This step is very, very important. This approach is very, very important. We'll apply this approach so many times in our quant section, guys. If I am telling the table of 13, it means I am adding 13, 13, 13 and so on. 13 plus 13, 26, then 39, then 52, then 65, then 78 and so on. So if I know 13 into 13, okay, just forget everything. Let me take a very easy example. I know the table of 7, guys. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 6s are 42. But on one day I am, okay, I know 7 7s are 49. But I don't know what is 7 8s are. So you will say what, guys? Just add 7 in 49. You will get 7 8s are. Yes or no, guys? Okay, I know 7 8s are 56. But I don't know 7 9s are. You will say add 7 in 56. It will become 63. Very, very easy. Students, you need to do 13 into 14. Do you know what is 13 into 13? You will say 13 into 13, very easy, sir. 13 into 13, the square of 13. We all remember 169. So now you will say, sir, if I tell you, add 13 in 169, will you get 13 into 14? You will say, definitely, sir. 30. If I add 13 in 13 into 13, definitely I will get 13 into 14. And we all can do 169 plus 13 then. 169 plus 13 is a cakewalk for us. 169 plus 13 is 182. So that's why I have done like this, 13 into 14 in my mind. That is 182. In the end, we will have 25 for sure. We will have sufficient practice. No need to worry. 13 square. What I am doing, beta? I am adding 13 in 13 square. So I will take 13 common here. Inside in bracket, I will have 13 plus 1. So it will become 13 into 14. This is equal to this and this is equal to this. So this will be equal to this for sure. So instead of solving this, I have solved this. Have you got my point, guys? Okay. So now, students, if I ask you what is the square of 175 square. So in the end, we are having 5 here. So in the end, in the square value, we will have 25 for sure. That's it. Now the next task is what, beta? I need to do 17 into 18. So will I solve like this, guys? Do I need to solve like this? 8 7 56 here, then here, then here, then add? No. Students of my class, remember the square of 17, guys. 17 square is 289. Add 17 into 289. You will get 306. That's it. 30625. That's it. Let's have one more example, guys. If I tell you what is the square of 185, guys. 185 square. So I need to do 18 into 19. In the end, 25 for sure. There is no issue in that. I need to do 18 into 19. Do you know what is the square of 18, guys? That is 324. That's why I told you, you must remember the square from 1 to 25 at least, guys. So if you know 18 square is 324, just add 18 in 18 square, you will get 18 into 19. So 324 plus 18, 342, 34225 is the square of 185. I am damn sure it is crystal clear to you now, and you are not having a single issue in these kind of questions and concepts. And why we are doing this, guys? Why we are doing n into n plus 1? Let me explain this, guys. I guarantee you, no one will tell you ever the basic behind this, guys. Okay. What is the basic here, guys? Okay, n5 square. Students, do you agree with me? If I am writing any number here, like 86 I am writing, it means 80 plus 6. 75 means 70 plus 5. Do you all know? If I am writing a 2-digit number AB, it means it is nothing but 10A plus B. If I am writing 32, it means 3 into 10 plus 2. Unit place 2 into 1, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. This is the work that we did in the second class. Okay, the base value. Do you know that, guys? 75 means 70 plus 5. So if I am having a 2-digit number n5 here, it means it is nothing but n into 10 plus 5 whole square. Do you agree with me, guys? Yes, sir. It is quite obvious. Arre beta, if I need to find out the square of 75, can I write 70 plus 5 square? Means what I have done here. Okay. I think it is clear to you, guys. AB is nothing but 10A plus B. If I am writing a number like 79 means 7 into 10 plus 9. 38 means 3 into 10 plus 8. Very, very simple this is. So if a 2-digit number is n5, it means 10n plus 5. That's it. So if I do the square here, guys, in the previous class, we have written this formula, guys, x plus y whole square. You all know this formula, x square plus 2xy plus y square. There is no issue in that. Now, so you will say what, guys? N into 10 whole square plus 2 into n into 10, 2xy into 5 plus 5 square. So you will say, sir, it will be 100n square plus 10, 5 is 50, 2 is 100n plus 5 square means 25. In the end, I am having 5, so in the end, I will have 25 for sure. But students, if I take 100n common here, inside in bracket, I will have n plus 1 plus 25. Students, do you agree with me, guys? N into n plus 1 is getting multiplied with 100. If any number is getting multiplied with 100, it will give you 2 zeros in the end. Okay, let me take a very basic example for you guys. Like I am going to solve the square of 65, guys. So in the end, I need to do what, guys? If I will open this open that value like this, it will, in the end, it will look like this only. 100 into 6 into 7 in plus 25. Do you agree with me, guys? N plus 1 means 6 plus 1. In place of n, we are having 6 here. Yes or no? Yes. Students, 6 7 are 42. We are not having only 42. We are having 4200. Are you getting my point? And if I am having 2 zeros here, and I am adding a 2-digit number 25 in this, so what number I will get? I will get 4225. So can I say, guys, that's why we just joined them. Because of these 2 zeros, we know that definitely we will have 2 zeros here, guys. And if I add a 2-digit number, in that number in which we are having last 2 digits 00, we need to just join them, or yes or no. We will get 4225. This is the basic behind this, beta. This is the basic behind this that you must know. So this is the square. This is the trick of finding out the square of those number in which the unit digit is 5. I hope it is crystal clear to you guys. Okay students, so in the next class we are going to have some more methods, some more very good methods we are going to have, and then we will have some extraordinary tricks and approaches in speed maths. That's it from this class. We are going to meet in the next class with some more amazing concepts and questions. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you so much, guys.